Hello guys and welcome back. So we are aboard the Yamaha R15-M that I own. This is the other vehicle apart from the Dominar 400 that I have. I hope the camera angle and the audio is decent and acceptable. Let's open the mirrors up. We are heading to the Kadma Sonari Link Road, a beautiful location a few kilometers away from my house in the city of Jamshedpur. Yes, I am back home from Agra for a few days and the rains have set in over here. In Agra it's still not raining as much, just cloudy, but here the rains are upon us. So let's see, we will take a tour of the Kadma Sonari Link Road, which is what? These people, they just don't have any sort of sense. They ride their vehicles without helmets. They just expect people to move. You may blame me of being insouciant. Maybe I am. But safety is a concern. So we are heading towards the Sonari airport. This is the market place that is just outside the airport. You get some pretty fresh vegetables and fruits here. As a result, there is always traffic. Public transportation in the form of these auto rickshaws was good initially, but when the number of autos on the road far exceed the number of cars, that's when you have a problem. What else can we do in this dwindling economy? What? See, triple ride on a scooty, no helmets whatsoever, and not a care for the world. So this is the Sonari airport, also known as the Tata Steel airport. Need to be careful. So we just entered the Kadma Sonari Link Road. It is a close to 2-kilometer long stretch of road that joins the paths known as Sonari and Kadma in the city of Jamshedpur. Driving with the rear view mirror closed. Good. decent curves, but speed needs to be kept in check because there are undulations in the road like this. So need to be careful. So this is the walkers track at the Kadma Sonari Link Road. A very good stretch of 1 kilometer that people can use to walk, run, cycle on this track over here and just keep fit. It's a place you can come in the mornings and the evenings and any time throughout the day to keep yourself in top condition, mentally as well as physically. So we'll take a round of the whole road. So we have reached Kadma right here. The post office is just opposite. We will continue with an about turn back to the Link Road. So while moving from Kadma towards Sonari, around 100 to 150 meters down the road, you have this place known as the fitness zone with multiple workout equipments over there which people can use also. Enjoy nature and the beautiful R15. We have security personnel to take care of any incidents on this road. Stationed at every crossroad, there's one ahead also there. So a big thumbs up to these guys doing their jobs in the rain also. Oh no! If you like the video, do hit the like button and do share your comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content you are seeing. Ride safe, stay healthy.